Land for the most part is a low-positioned cryptographic money right now estimated at $1.036458 that has a place with the class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $620 350 win 950 win, which by and large is genuinely huge. Over the past especially couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including land, laid out a fundamentally solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and explicitly are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, which basically is very huge. A few institutional financial backers in any event, in every way that really matters, consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, which certainly is genuinely critical. Retail financial backers and dealers basically are extremely keen on digital currencies in every practical sense. For example, Luna, since this fundamentally is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources have the truly potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a generally especially brief timeframe, which in every way that really matters is very huge. These profits in a real sense are really unreachable in kind of different business sectors, which especially is the motivation behind why most by and large moderate financial backers truly are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with cryptographic forms of money like land. While the groundbreaking ones truly commit a huge part of their by and large funding to this quickly creating resource class. At this genuinely specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of land to the level at $1.036458, where it presently fundamentally sits in a genuinely significant manner. As currently referenced, Luna in a real sense is a low-positioned cryptographic money, since it by and by possesses the 70th spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the very metric that not entirely set in stone, by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in an unobtrusive manner. On account of land, the market capitalization in every way that really matters remains at $620 350 win 950 win. The significance of this boundary will especially be in a real sense made sense of later, the in every way that really matters, thought. Our cost expectation calculation especially is planned in lovely such a manner that it ceaselessly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to by and large, furnish our endorsers with the most reliable data on the present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily in a real sense survey the condition of their portfolio and generally choose whether or not it in a real sense needs to by and large be reconfigured. Which generally is genuinely critical. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which especially is key for the very right assessment of both in every practical sense, current and expected market structure, and the evaluation of its sort of present and future bearing in a truly significant manner. Beneath you will sort of find key selections of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could have a comprehension of where the land market for the most part is going, which sort of is very critical. Yesterday, on December 8, Luna by and large was esteemed at $0.995780 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings, especially recollect that cryptographic forms of money are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., or so they in a real sense thought. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period basically added up to 1.57%, showing how these profits by and large are really impossible in fundamentally different business sectors, which essentially is the justification for why most by and large moderate financial backers in every practical sense are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like land. While the groundbreaking ones by and large commit a critical part of their cash flow to this quickly creating resource class in a sort of huge manner. 7 days prior, on December 2, land explicitly was exchanged at $0.795345 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that generally near its especially present situation in an unpretentious manner. On November 9, which especially was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Luna at $0.483184, the cost level that generally is at the distance of 114.51% from where it presently fundamentally remains in an unobtrusive manner. The cost of Luna and the readings of CVIX truly are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations. Pretty further appearance how beneath you will fundamentally find sort of key selections of this authentic information, so you also could truly have a comprehension of where the land market especially is going, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Market capitalization really is another significant genuinely metric that especially assists traders with in a real sense, deciding the notoriety of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities. It's likewise used to generally evaluate the offer that land for the most part holds inside the essentially whole cryptographic money market in a very large manner. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization essentially is fairly straightforward. The flowing stockpile of the cash being referred to for the most part is increased by its exceptionally current cost, or so they certainly thought. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Luna generally remains at $620, 350 win 950 win, enough to name it the 70th, certainly the biggest coin on the digital currency market. Yesterday, on December 8, the market capitalization of land remained at $595, 936 949 in an unobtrusive manner. 7 days prior, on December 2, the capitalization of Luna certainly was $471, 772 185 in a truly significant manner. A month prior, on November 9, how much in every way that really matters, capital streaming around this especially specific market explicitly added up to $276, 820 win 159 in a genuinely significant manner. Most cryptographic money financial backers in every practical sense stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a sort of specific digital currency and its capacity to fundamentally endure disturbances which, all things considered, are the especially normal event on this profoundly unstable market, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The absolute stock of Luna right now basically remains at 1,004,262,701 coins, which truly is very huge. The circling supply of the digital currency under survey fundamentally is 598,530,791 Luna, or so they thought. This land cost expectation wouldn't explicitly be especially finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the really metric utilized by essentially all digital currency dealers to fundamentally affirm the strength of the pattern and the suitability of a market move, so on account of land. The market capitalization essentially remains at $620, 350 win 950 win. The significance of this boundary will generally be certainly made sense of later, which generally is genuinely huge. For example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain sort of is happening on the rear of the extremely low exchanging volume, there basically is a high likelihood that this move in a real sense is impractical and would bring about a bullish snare, or so they in a real sense thought. Consequently, it's critical to basically break down the kind of past and the in every way that really matters current exchanging volume of Luna request to by and large comprehend whether this market has a hidden strength, showing that yesterday, on December 8, Luna was esteemed at $0.995780 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Especially recall that digital currencies fundamentally are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m.